Precisely.
I've been ready to be working. According to my journal. You're going to work.
Nkansah from.
Nkansah from.
Yohani.
Yohani.
Yes, serious.
I will be so ring the bell. Yohani, when you're serious, so let's make that one. Now, you tell your mama, I see the decision, though difficult, is necessary. President Mahama justifies additional. But on record, it's not one Ghana city. Go via for you moving call a year and to acquire your shots here. Now, you make your point very clear.
More fire. More fire.
Okay. And Sansa Dali. Oh, the story I shall see. We take no delight in Africa. We kept on continuously warning her and the associates. Said, stop it. I don't like this. Stop it. For well over 2 months, I kept on warning her. Stop it. Because I can be ruthless, I can be callous when I want to be, and I'm merciless when I want to be. Especially when I know that somebody is coming after me, beasting me, I said, no, I don't want it. I want the king in me. He kept on dealing with the beast. Now that I've heard voices, I'm happy. I don't want to continue to inflict pain on anybody's home.
More fire.
Information we will give it to the security agencies.
More fire.
They will carry it.
More fire.
Let me sound this warning to her. And whoever chooses to go the route that she went, that any day, anytime, I come here for myself. I am ready for war.
More fire.
Except that I will give you room. I would like to go on a negotiation table. I would like us to have conversations. Be reasonable human beings. But if you choose not to be reasonable, there is a beast sitting in me somewhere that really works very hard. And if I'm a leader of a nation, any day, anytime, nobody can even attempt. So when you use threat of force. When you use threat of force, you will be met with something so drastic that you forget the day you were born. I wasn't born for this country. I think I should have been in a year in Russia, the world superpowers, where I control. So, and Sansa story, we will pause, we will hold on. Whatever information we have, we'll pause, we'll hold on. Until somebody provokes us the way you did. And we'll go against.
More fire.
You can rest assured.
More fire.
Any day, anytime, you'll be so. We can meet anybody.
Boot for boot. Exactly. So.
Isaac Tata said the two known is too much. Isaac Tata Jupiter. Most of so camera near two known. Two know me media. I got swag. Me Nkansah. Personality no go nya be ma media.
More fire. More fire.
And me was self-control. Me was self-confidence. Almost for an arrogance. What am I for an arrogance? What was it? It's Zania Bayano. And Sansa, the Mofan Toncha. Unless you be Chimidi. Unless you be Chimidia. What's it? Oh, I can't hook a monk. I'm a Jimmy Aquachikakra. And any day I beat them to their game. It's Yababa Somo.
More fire.
Or was it a wound to move as they would do on your Nana Kwame so I said, and a person will cause harm to the people. Oh, Debbie. We are still dealing with the security agencies. We not a report among American authorities. So it's not as though we are going to allow the crime to go unpunished. But the public expose of it is what we are trying to put a pause. But I tell you, we are reporting. I mean, there is more to it. I'm sure the guy in America, said the way, it borders on so many of the laws that governs cyber bullying, local terrorism, and we are pursuing it. That one we are pursuing it. We are pursuing it. When I set my mind to do something, nothing stops me. And nobody should say na Kenya Japan to me. Maybe Kenya Japan. I'm not Kenya Japan. I am not, and I will never be. Hey, was it if you hold on with Nkansah case, we also hold on with you. Ibrahim Ali won't share Jai. There's more expose coming. It's not even about Nkansah. Why? You're finding to answer. Unless they show us they will fool. When they will fool, they will show them how it's done. Obi, we are done. Thank you.
Bye-bye.